Hello friends, how are you all today? Wishing you a very good health and a peace of mind. Today I am going to share with you a Mexican recipe called burrito bowl. This is something with which our youths will relate to, our kids will really relate to this recipe. And just by making little changes in the presentation format and adding on few ingredients and components, I'm going to make this super healthy our rajma chawal into this exciting burrito bowl, which our kids are surely going to enjoy it. So for rajma I have already shared the recipe, and you can find the same in the description box. And without wasting any time, let's dive into it and look into the ingredients and follow the recipe. Rajma chawal into a very exciting burrito bowl. To assemble our Mexican burrito bowl, we require certain components or food items, which are as follows: Mexican rice, red kidney beans or rajma, uncooked salsa, sour cream, some grated cheese, and tortilla chips for garnishing. Links to Rajma recipe is given below, and in the coming videos we are going to see how to make Mexican rice and assemble our Mexican burrito bowl. First prepare is the rice. We need to saute it. It's similar to the Mexican rice that we make. So here what I have taken is uh, 2 bowls of cooked rice. I had cooked it with a little salt in it. So this is a cooked rice. This is 1 bowl of capsicum, thinly sliced. Here you can use all the colored peppers because it looks really beautiful. But in this lockdown period, it was not possible for me to have them, so I'm just using greens capsicum. Again here I have one onion which I have sliced it. uh, this is oregano, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic finely chopped, pepper powder, red chili powder. Here you can use red chili flakes too, but I'm using red chili powder, and salt I have taken sparingly because rice already has salt. You can also use cheese into it, but I'm not using it right now. When we finally garnish our burrito bowl, I will use it at that time. So let us begin with the recipe, and first do the preparation for the rice. So I have taken a pan over there. So I am going to add to it the garlic, and on top of that I'm going to add onions. I'm going to saute them for a minute's time on a high flame. We don't want to cook it very much. We want that crunch of onion as well as capsicum. So we will saute it for say a minute's time. This is on a high flame. So just little onions are looks like little cooked or translucent. I'm going to add in the capsicum to it. The onions look well done, so I'm going to add capsicum to it and saute them also for a minute's time on a high flame. You can even add to this sweet corn, the boiled sweet corn kernels if you like it. That also can go into this. Right now it looks good, so I'm just going to add little of salt to it, the red chili powder, the pepper, and the oregano, and I'll saute them well. To this I'm going to add in the rice now. I've added rice to it, and now I'm going to mix it well. So That is how the rice looks, and it's giving a very good aroma because of garlic and oregano. So it is ready as of now, and so I'm going to just remove it in a serving bowl. Not in a serving bowl, but another bowl, because burrito bowls are made in individual bowls for each person. So I'll remove it in another bowl, and then we will start assembling our burrito bowl. So I have kept all the things ready for assembling a burrito bowl. As I have already shown you how we made the rice. This is the red kidney beans, or rajma as we call it. I have prepared them for, you can find the link to it in the description box. So normal rajma as we prepare, I have made rajma ready. You will find it in the link to the rajma recipe in the description box. Here I have sour cream. Sour cream is made by hung curd. I had taken a big bowl of curd, and I had hung it for around 2 hours, and then the hung curd that I got it, I had added to it little of lemon juice, salt and pepper powder. If your curd is already sour, you may not add any lemon to it. It all depends on your taste. But sour cream is like that. And even if you just bring the ready-made dahi, like Gokul or some ready-made dahi from outside, or yogurt, it is very good and it is very fine and thick. So you can directly use that also. Just add salt, pepper and red chili flakes if you like it. And sour cream is ready. I have taken some tortilla chips for garnishing and for little crunch. And this is uncooked salsa. It is only tomato, so finely chopped tomato and onions. I had even taken, I have added to it salt, pepper powder and red chili flakes, and garnished it with little coriander leaves. So I have mixed them all well, and I have kept that ready. So, and here is some little cheese for further garnishing, and this is how we do it. I have taken a transparent bowl. It is a one bowl meal, and it is, believe me, very delicious. And if your children are not fond of rajma chawal, you can definitely make a burrito bowl for them, and it is a wholesome meal. So I hope you will enjoy this. So now let us go on assembling the bowl. The first goes in rice. The quantity of rice is usually higher than all the other ingredients, but you can definitely customize as per your requirement or as per your taste. So I'm going to add to it, I'm just going to prepare it and show you how it looks finally. So I have added rice to it, and on top of that I have taken rajma, or red fried kidney beans. Usually it is not made with so much of gravy, but we like to have it moist, a little Indianized version of it maybe, and so I made it with gravy. And first I had put a layer of rice, on top of that I had taken rajma. Now I'm going to put little salsa to it, and then the rest of the ingredients. So that is how our burrito bowl looks today. I have first layered it with rice, then the rajma, the kidney beans. Over that I have taken the uncooked salsa. Over that I have put the sour cream, some cheese, and I have some tortilla chips. I have sprinkled them, and I have also decorated it at the side. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like my recipe, do subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos, and also press the notification bell so that you can get the notification of the videos that we push in. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Stay home, stay safe and stay secured. Goodbye. Have a good time.